In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate anime-style videos with Sora 2. Whether you're an anime enthusiast looking to add a unique flair to your video content or just someone eager to experiment with animation styles, Sora 2 offers an accessible and fun way to get creative. Let's dive right in and explore how you can bring your visions to life with a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to head over to Sora.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create one. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and locate the Create Video button. Click on it, and this will open up a new world of possibilities for your video creation journey. Now that you're all set up and ready to create, you'll find a prompt box waiting for your imagination. This is where you describe the scene you want to bring to life, with a specific note to add anime style to your description. For example, if you're imagining a girl flying over a futuristic cityscape, make sure to include the term anime style to guide the software in generating the desired aesthetic. You'll also want to decide the orientation of your video at this stage. Choose portrait orientation for platforms like TikTok or landscape for YouTube, depending on where you plan to showcase your work. For those who are keen on achieving an even more authentic anime style, Sora 2 offers the option to upload a reference image. This step is optional, but it can be particularly helpful if you have a specific anime look in mind. By providing a reference image that matches your vision, Sora 2 will have a clearer idea of the art style you're aiming for, producing a video that aligns more closely with your expectations. Once you've got your scene described and any reference images uploaded, it's time to bring your video to life. Click on Generate Video and sit back as Sora 2 works its magic. The rendering process might take a few moments, so be patient while your anime scene is being constructed. Finally, after all your creative input and a little bit of waiting, your anime-style video is ready to go. You'll have the option to download it directly to your device or share it across your social media platforms, allowing you to showcase your unique creation to the world. And there you have it. Creating anime-style videos with Sora 2 is that simple. This tool offers a wonderful way to explore creative storytelling through the vibrant and dynamic lens of anime. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to start generating your own videos today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and guides like this one. Happy creating!